Heartily welcome to That Coding Bro. Today, my topic is Introduction to Programming. I am thinking that you people are very new to programming or you doesn't have any idea regarding programming. I thinking in that case, and I am telling this. If you are something familiar or somewhat familiar with programming, it will be a little bit boring. I was morely focused on the people who don't know what is programming. So, coming to the lecture, let's start now. Introduction to programming. Okay, before going to that, see, there are two kids. Okay, there are two kids. His name is something like Ram. His name is Lakshman. Okay, now Ram wants to communicate with Lakshman and Lakshman wants to communicate with Ram. Okay, think that both people know one language. Example, English. Think both people know English. So if he tell hi, he too will tell hi because he understood, Lakshman understood what Ram told. Okay, he understood what Ram told, so he replied hi. By that, a communication is built between both of them and they will communicate easier. Okay, in such a way, think you want to communicate with a person who is living in some other country like France or Germany, then you need to learn Germany, right? Or you both need to know English or one familiar language. Similarly, when compared to computer, you need to communicate with computer to do your works. So you need to learn one language which computer knows. In that there are many options like C, Java, Python. Leave at first all those. You need to learn one language. Okay. And here the computer will not actively participate with you. So at first you will tell all the things to the computer, how to deal with. If I tell hi, what you need to do. If I tell hello, what you need to do. You need to tell each and everything. That is known as programming. You need to program a computer. You need to tell, you need to give instructions to the computer. If Raju comes to near you and he will tells hello, what you need to do. If he tells hi, what you need to do. We need to tell the instructions. We need to give the instructions how to work when someone asks this, someone asks this. Like observe, this is the main thing behind programming. Programming means communicating with one thing. Example, you went to one another country, you don't know their language, they don't know your language, then what you do? You need to dance on highway, right? You don't know anything, both people don't know anything, simply you will stand on the road, you don't know anything. To overcome those disadvantages, we will learn their language or we will get familiar with those people. Similarly, now coming to next thing, in this video I will tell what is programming, what is problem solving, and why to start with C. Okay, think programming is a set of rules or instructions to communicate with computer. It is a language. Okay, now what is programming? As I told before, programming is the process of writing instructions for a computer to follow. Okay, as I told, Ram want to communicate with Lakshman, he will tell hi and he too will tell hi. Why the Lakshman tells hi? Because he know that when someone asks or someone tells hi, then we will reply hi. But a computer don't know, right? It's a machine. We need to train the machine. We need to tell the machine how to work based on the one instruction. Similarly, we will store, if someone tells hi, say hello. If someone asks you your age, tell your age. If someone asks what's the status, tell the status. See, like that we will give some instructions. These instructions are called as code, and they are written in programming language. Because if you know English, I need to tell you in English only, right? If I tell in Hindi, will you understand? No, you will not understand. Similarly, a computer also will not understand whatever the language human knows. A computers have some languages, they are C, C++, Python and Java. So we need to learn at least one programming language to communicate with computer. Programming languages are used to create all sorts of softwares. Keep this word aside. Software means nothing but a large code, a group of codes. From operating system to web browsers to video games. Means whatever the thing, if you are playing a game, it is an instruction, right? If you are telling to go left, If you click the left arrow mark, it will go left. It is an instruction. Similarly, if you give thousands, 10,000, some more instructions, then it is known as software. For real-time examples, web browsers, Amazon, Flipkart. If you click login button, it will go inside. If you click buy, it will buy. We are telling the computer that if we click someone on sign in, we need to sign in. Video games, PUBG, Free Fire, whatever the thing. If you click on the shoot button, it need to shoot the enemy, right? The programmer will write the code for shooting. We will press the shoot button. It is nothing but programming. Okay. What is problem solving? Now it's an important thing for new people. They will start their engineering journey or programming career with first topic. It is problem solving. What is problem solving? Think there is a calculator in your mobile. There is a calculator like this. There are two boxes and is equal to one box and there is one box. Okay. Now here you entered 3 and here you entered 10. In between you entered multiplication symbol and here you will get result as 30. Think it is our question. They will give 3 inputs and one operator. You will get the output. For this program or this problem, we have different ways to solve. See, for 3 into 10, we can multiply directly. We can do 3 into 10 equal to 30. Else, we can do 3 times adding of 10. There are 2 ways to bring 30. Which problem or which solution you will solve? This is the thing which is going to happen in problem solving. For a given problem, you will try for multiple solutions and you will select the best one. Okay, you will take the best one or which is you are familiar. Like here there are 2 solutions. If in case he asks 100 into 100, what I need to do? I need to add 100 times, right? It's very big. So I will choose this one. It's very simple. 3 into 10 equal to 30. It's simple, right? I choose this solution. This process is done in problem solving. Problem solving is a process of finding a solution to the problem, means how to do the problem. We will find that solution in this phase. In programming, problem solving process is often used to create code that solves a specific solution. Means we will find an approach, based on that we will write a code. For example, you may write code to calculate the area of a circle or find the shortest path between 2 points, something. It's whatever the problem it is, we will solve. For the simplicity, I took multiplication problem. It has 2 approaches and we select which one is easier for us and easier for computer to implement. Okay, this is nothing but problem solving. In summary, problem solving is nothing but finding a solution to a problem. Okay. Now coming to the next question, why to start with C? There are many reasons why you might choose C as your first programming language. C is powerful and versatile language that is used to create all sorts of software. It is also a relatively simple language to learn, which makes it a good choice for beginners. Think there are many languages. Approximately there are 10,000 languages like A, B, C language, Ruby, Python, Java, many languages. If you are a kid who born in Andhra Pradesh, first you will learn Telugu. If you are a kid who born in Chennai, you will learn Tamil. If you are a kid who born in some northern states, then you will learn Hindi as first, because mother tongue, because which you are familiar with all the people in your locality. Similarly, C is one of the remarkable addition in programming languages. Remarkable language. So many programming languages using C as basic. Means, for example, if you want to know, like, you know 20 table, but in 20 table, if you want to implement the 20 table, we need to know 2 table, right? Similarly, C is a very basic, and every language coming out of it directly or indirectly related with C. So it's better to start your career with C. If not C, you can start at least with Java. It's my suggestion. C is very good option. Now benefits of C. C is a high level language, means you can write statements like A plus B. C, easily understandable to human, right? So it is high level language. which means it gives you a lot of control over the computer hardware. It can be helpful for learning how computer works and writing efficient codes. That computer hardware means it is a somewhat a little bit high concept. Advanced means you can control the hardware parts. What are the hardware parts? Mouse, keyboard, joystick, display. You can control all the things with C. That is, the power is very powerful. C is very powerful. This is because it is compiled into mission code, which is a language that computers understand directly. It is telling that computer C directly communicates with computer. No need of any intermediate languages like any language like Java. It is nothing present in between. C directly communicates with OS, operating system. Okay. C is a portable language. This means the code written in C can be run on many different machines of computers. Means, see example, Rakesh wrote one code and he want to share with Suresh. Suresh no need to write entire code. He can share the code. Like if a developer developed PUBG, you don't need to develop entire PUBG code. You can utilize by sharing the code through Play Store or Gmail, some ways. This is nothing but portable. Example, in WhatsApp, you don't need to again take the pic, again share. You can just simply share without taking the pic. 100 people no need to take the single pic. If one person takes the pic, he can share to all the 99 people. This is known as portability. In C, it is possible. Now coming to the thing, this is the main mind map of C programming or any programming, because like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, all the languages needs communication with computer. Okay, communication with computer. Similarly, these are the different phases of coding. I will tell with the simple example like multiplication operator. 3 star 10 is equals to 30. Okay, first problem statement. What is problem statement? It is the description about problem. I have 3, I have 10, I have multiplication operator. When this comes, you need to print 30. How to do? I have told you two operators, two ways, like using addition and using multiplication. Which one you will choose? We will choose multiplication, right? It's simple. So it is problem solving phase. Means we are taking two processes and this is the best one. We are selecting this as the best one. Now coming to algorithm, we will tell to the computer in simpler words, human understandable words. Means take two values, nothing but 3, 10, multiply those values and print result. Like this, you will tell in English words, take two numbers, do multiplication and print the result. This is nothing but algorithm. If it coming to the code, we will tell to the computer in a systematic way, however the computer understands. Means you will get an integer, this is an integer, this is an integer, okay, integer, this is also an integer. You need to perform multiplication and you need to print an integer output. Like this, we will tell each step in detail. This is the real all the phases of computer. Whenever you are going to solve a question, first understand the problem statement. After that, identify the best solution. After that, write the algorithm. After that, write the code. Similarly, I will follow this approach. In my channel, I will post the videos regarding this and I will post some future videos like how to solve a question. Still, as I posted some solutions, now from then onwards, I will give some more problems and I will teach you how to solve using these phases. Okay. Stay tuned for next video. That's it for this video. I think I have cleared you all the doubts like what is programming, what are the different languages, C, Python, Java, and what is the difference between all these languages and which language is better to start. I prefer C, start with C. And what is meant by problem solving, what is meant by algorithm, what is meant by code, and what is the real programming and how to code. These are the different things I have discussed. In further videos, I will give an elaboration explanation regarding what is compiler and remaining things. Stay tuned. Thank you. Happy learning.